Got oil leaking.
Yeah.
That's okay.
A little bit of rag.
A little bit of fiberglass resin.
There's a river right down the road.
What are you talking about?
Alright, let me get a nut for this. Secure the tank. And somebody want to move the Alero?
Yeah. Let's get these screws up first before you get too... Yeah.
Right, boys, chop chop.
I'm just surprised it didn't tear itself apart already.
Not yet.
It's pretty impressive.
Yeah, I thought it'd be vibrating.
So they're in. It's in the boat. This is about to get in.
You got the rope too? Nah. You could use a paddle. I got a paddle.
Wait, did you pull the weeds off before you... It's in neutral, Chris. It was.
Push them down. Okay. I got the paddle. Yeah, don't leave it yet. What? Don't leave it yet. I got the already.
Alright. Oh my god, it's working! Too much power, Chris.
Steer it!
There's those handlebars.
Turn the handlebars! Watch the weeds there. Check the depth so you don't run into the mud. How's the water, Chris? Is it still coming in?
Mom and baby supposed to be gone. Hello there. Are you going to attack us now? Swan attack. Where's your mate? Where's your mate? I don't have any food. You got to go off in the pond and get it. Go off in the pond.
Bernie, no.
Okay. Good job, Bernie. Animals. Oh, did I tell you I found
See what they got. Let's see what the other people think about this. Oh, that didn't.